My name is Vladimir and I welcome you to the Russian Traders channel. Today we're gonna trade, analyze and earn some really huge profits. So let us get straight to the business, alright?
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
I guess we are all set and we can move on to the very first one trade. Here guys, what can I say? Right now we are getting close to the overbought zone, but not still. Let us set the amount and open a buy trade right now. So the thing is, first of all, take a look at the graph. You see we had from 12.04 something like that, we had downgoing trend over here, which means that once we had a long downgoing trend, there's always a time when the graph changes the direction, and right now we are not in the beginning of a trend, but we are in a continuation of a growing trend, which is the result of a long, downgoing trend before. And here, if you take a look at the vortex, also you will see this green line over the red line, which is telling us that right now another one signal that the trend is still growing. Okay. And moreover, they're not maximum and minimum, they're just normal situation, pretty normal upgoing trend, okay? And but the stochastic is also signaling us that we are getting closer to the overbought zone, and that's quite normal. The trade is close to $94, pretty good beginning of a trader's day. And I think let us take a look what else can we check out for this one session. Let us check out another one pair. Oh yeah guys, here quite opposite situation. First of all, can you take a look at the graph please? We have here the long upgoing trend, I mean in terms of our time period right now. That's why basically we are opening a sell trade over here, because this is the signal of the trend changing in direction, and this one first candle, red one, which is appearing, is the first candle about it, okay? Because we reached the local maximum over here. If you take a look at the vortex, here quite opposite situation to the previous one. At the previous trade we had this situation that these lines where the green line was over the red one, but they were this way, one over another. And here we have already this kind of situation, alright? They are looking towards one direction, towards intersection, okay, already. This is the signal about the trend changing in direction. And here if you take a look at the stochastic oscillator as well, guys, you will see that here we have an overbought zone, which means that in a very short period of time right now, in the nearest future, the trend will change its direction and the market will cool off a bit. That's actually what's happening right now over here. Basically, yes, the trade is close to $183, already more than 3 times more on our balance since our first trade today. Not bad results, but we can better. Let's take a look at another one pair. Okay, let us see what is offering us Great Britain pound to Japanese yen. Alright, here we have upgoing trend right now. You see, it was also the downgoing trend before, and right now we should enter the beginning of a trend, alright? Yeah, for this one is enough. Actually. And by the way, guys, if you wanna practice, if you have knowledge, oh yeah, you see the trade is closed. Great, 347, not bad. Almost, but not still. 10 times, let us do 10 times more than we had at the beginning. Guys, if you feel that you lack knowledge, you lack practice, you need support, or you feel like you're alone, or don't quite understand what you're doing, that's quite normal. I was in your position, right? And for you, I have Telegram channel absolutely free. Make sure you check it out. Because if you are watching this video, this definitely will be useful. Okay, euro to Canadian dollar, right? We have the end of the trend over here. The end of a downgoing trend here, which is what? Which is the beginning of the upgoing trend, alright? So this is a very good moment. You see these lines, according to Vortex, are just about to intersect. That's the very good moment to enter such kind of trades, guys. Let me show you. So we are right now, what we are doing is a part of technical analysis, and maybe we will go into details later, but not now. Right now I can say that here we have, you see this line is a very strong level of support, and this is how the price reacts to it, alright? Once the price reaches the very strong support level, it bounces from it, alright? And we have an upgoing trend in this one particular case right now at the moment. Well, pretty good. Okay. Well, if you take a look at the stochastic oscillator, I can say that we were in such kind of sold zone. But yeah, the situation is starting to change basically. Let's be a bit patient. Oh yeah, the trade is closed, 668. Tell ya, already more than 10 times from our balance from the amount that we started with. Well guys, you should always keep calm independently on whether you are winning or losing, but I will lie if I will say that I feel nothing at these kind of moments. This feels good. Well, almost 10 minutes, right? Less than 10 minutes, almost 8 minutes. And here we have the beginning of the upgoing trend, so let's open a buy trade. And if you take a look at Vortex, you will see that they are the red line is on maximum on top, the green line is on minimum down. This is one huge signal about the trend changing in direction. All right, if you take a look at the stochastic oscillator as well, you will see that we entered the oversold zone, but I think right now the situation will change, and to the end of the trade we will have the quite different story over here, guys. Quite different story. Well, first of all, independently on what kind of strategies you are using, you should make technical analysis. Consider the indicators you are working with, and you should know how to work with these indicators. And only after complex analysis you can open a trade and get your profits, guys. So if you feel like you need some additional information or advice or anything else, just make sure you check out the Telegram channel, links down below. And here we are already over the level we opened our trade, which means that our assumption was correct. So yeah, plus $1,000+. Pretty good. Okay, 1100, almost 1200 on our account right now at the moment. So yeah, you see already we escaped from the oversold zone, and that's why we can still make some profits on this one upgoing trend. So we were at the beginning first. Right now we are entering into the continuation of a trend, but the trend is still growing, as you can see. And these vortex lines are already about to intersect, but not intersected still, which is also a signal about the trend is still in process. Okay, so if you're entering in short-term trades like me for 1 minute, this is the very good moment for you to open such kind of trade and make really good profits. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, great, pretty easy. Okay, 2100 on our account. I'm just reminding that we started with 49. Well, I think pretty good results for how many? Well, 15-minute session. Okay, guys, this was Vladimir, Russian Traders. Thank you for watching. Make sure you check out the Telegram channel, because if you're watching this video till the end, you definitely will find very useful information out there for you. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. This will help me make even more useful content for you guys. See ya.